Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the footages that I took when I went on a browsing shopping spree on different fabric stores in Asia. And I of course have seen my share of very nice, neat and organized fabric stores, of course. I learned something about myself when I shop in these places, and here are the footages. What I learned about myself when I went through these places is that my mind was diverted. I couldn't think, I couldn't imagine, I couldn't create in my head. So when I look at something, I tend to have this space in my brain where I imagine things, how I can create it. But walking through these places where it's very messy and very disorganized, it messes up with my imagination. I couldn't imagine. It just takes away my thinking skills when it comes to creativity. So these places have existed for many, many years because they're very, very inexpensive and they're also understaffed. So people keep coming back to these places every day and they are understaffed and the staff couldn't keep up with cleaning the place. I'm sharing this video with you so you can relate to if you are in a space or you walk in a situation where everything's messy or disorganized and you cannot think or it's not helping you think. That's probably it. Your mind is diverted. Your mind is not in that creative space, which you really need to when you are sewing. You have to imagine what you will create, how you will do it, while staring at a print or a particular item in front of you in a fabric store. So I hope you can relate to this video and thank you so much for watching.